In today's video we are going to build Gmail 2.0, so let's go ahead and create a new folder. But first we are going to use React and Tailwind CSS to create this project. So let's go ahead and create a new folder like this. So new folder, I'll move this out of the way, so I'll move this right here. I'll rename this to React like this. Actually, let's rename this to Gmail. So I'll say Gmail. I'll say Gmail like this. I'll drag this in. Bam, we have a new folder like that. Let's open a incognito file as well. Bam. Let's go ahead and install Tailwind with React.JS. So I'll go to React.JS with Tailwind like this. React.js with Tailwind. Accept all, and just go ahead and click on the second one, not on the add. Yay! Finally, yeah, Reina. Let's copy this line of code. So npx create React app. We'll paste this inside the terminal like this. Let me first, okay, so paste it here, npx create React app, and instead of my project, we'll say Gmail 2.0, so Gmail, that's fine, it's enough, okay, just like this, and let's wait a little bit for this to install. Okay, so let's open the Google Chrome. I'll copy cd into my project, but instead of cd into my project, I'll say cd into Gmail, like this, and then let's copy this line of code and install Tailwind as well, so paste. Okay, nice. Now I can copy the next line of code and install Tailwind again. Bam. Now let's copy this thing like this, and as you can see here, we have to paste this inside Tailwind config.js. So we'll go to Gmail, we'll go to Tailwind config. I'll close the sidebar. I'll delete everything and paste what we have here. So save this. Now let's go to index.css and copy this one as well. Okay, now let's close this terminal. You can click on X or just close it. Now Control B to open this left sidebar. Now let's go inside index.css. So inside source we'll go to index.css, Control B again, and at the top let's paste this in. So I'll save this like this. Now the last thing to do is say npm run start. So now if you go here to terminal, a new terminal, or just open it, you can just say npm run start like this, and wait a little bit for this to open automatically, or you can just go to localhost 3000, and that's what we are going to do. So I'll go to localhost 3000, and you should get this. Yes, I don't speak Hindi. So yeah, let's go ahead and go to the folder, so Control B, and we can delete some files. So I'll delete app CSS, I'll delete app test.js, I'll delete logo and report and setup as well. So delete these things just like this. Now let's go to app.js, and we can delete these two lines of code because we don't need them anymore, and we can delete the header as well, and instead we can say hello like this and save. Now let's go to index.css. Index.css looks fine. Now in index.js we can delete this thing right here, only this line of code, or we can delete the comments as well. Now we can delete the import report as well, save, and now we should be good. So have this hello at the top, perfect. Now we have this basic page set up, so let's go ahead and create the layout of our app. I'll close Tailwind CSS because we've installed this already. So let's go to the image right here. This is it. I'll move it to the bottom right here. So we'll click on Control B. We'll go to app.js, and instead of hello we'll have, shall make this bigger. So we'll have first at the top we'll have this header right here, and will be the burger. We'll have the logo, the input in the middle, and on the right side we'll have all these things. Okay, so let's go ahead and create this layout. First, in the header we'll have the header, so header or navbar, so it's in navbar. Now the second thing will be this left sidebar, but we will not have this on mobile, so this will be rendered only on desktop or tablet, bigger tablets. So for the left side, I'll say left sidebar, left sidebar. Then we'll have the content, so this inbox right here, I'll call this inbox, and then we can have this right sidebar as well. We'll see if we add it or not, we'll see. I'll close like this, bam. Let's say right sidebar, so right sidebar like this. Nice. So this comment is missing like something like this. Nice, perfect. So now we can save like this. We can save, and let's go ahead and create a component for the navbar first of all. So I'll close this. Let's open the folder structure. Inside the folder structure we'll have in the source we'll have components, so components. Inside the components we'll have the navbar, so we'll create a new file called navbar. So navbar.js, we'll say REACT like that and save. If we take a look here, we'll have to import this into app.js as well. So inside navbar, inside app.js, we'll say navbar. Let's import this one as well, save, and now we get a navbar, perfect. Okay. Inside the navbar, let's go into the navbar, save this. Now let's take a look at this layout. So we'll have on the left the React burger, we'll have then the Gmail icon on the left. So let's create here a comment with left section, so left section. Then in the middle we'll have the input, so input. So we'll have the input. Then on the right side, let's see, on the right side we'll have I'll say just right side, and then we'll figure out what we need in the right side. So in the left we'll have a div like this, a div. Let me go ahead and create first let me make this bigger as well, like this, bam. Let's go to Google Chrome and let's create this logo. It will be very easy to do. So Canva, we'll do a Gmail 2.0. Okay, now let's drag this image inside our app. So we'll create an assets folder inside the source. I'll create a folder called assets. Inside the assets we'll have this mail photo. Let's rename this to logo. Is Windows 10 better or Windows 11? I'm not sure. If you have a Windows 11, go for it. I just don't have it because I will change it as well. Mail, okay, so I'll have this logo. Now let's import this into the navbar. So here I'll say import. So import logo from /assets/logo.png, like this. So logo.png, save this. Inside app.js, everything looks good. We can close this. So now we can use this in the left side. So we'll have this burger icon, then the logo. But how do you get this burger icon? Well, you go to Google Chrome and type in React icons. It's a really nice library. React icons, it's a really nice library. We are using this every single day. So go to React icons, install React icons into your app, so with only one line of code. Create a new terminal and say cd into Gmail, so cd Gmail. Now paste this in, so npm install React icons. Now copy this. This is how you import an icon. So you copy this at the top and paste it inside your components right here. Now you can close this one because React icons it's installed. this is how you import an icon. Well, we don't want this FA icon, so let's get a different icon. We'll go for menu, so menu, and we'll take for example the FY menu right here. So we'll change this from to this one, so FY menu, and it's coming from a library that starts with FY. So here at the top is the name of the library, so FY, because the first two letters it's FY. Save. Can move this in the background, save this, and now we can use this icon in the left sidebar. So I'll open this design as well so you can guys see it. I'll make it bigger, back again, like that. Now let's open this one as well. So this one I want to make it smaller, like this. Nice. So we'll have first the burger. Let's add a burger. So on the left side I have a burger icon like this, a burger icon like this, and if I save, take a look, bam, nice. Now we'll say here, we'll give this a width and a height. So I'll say class name, a width of 20 and a height of 20, like this. Maybe 16 and 16. 16 and 16, save. 16 and 16, we'll go with 12 maybe. How is this working? 12 is too much still, so we'll go with 6 and 6. 8 maybe, or 7, we'll go with 7. Nice. Now let's add some padding to the left and everywhere actually. So let's add some padding everywhere. I'll say class name, padding everywhere of 4. Is it too much? I don't know. I'll say only 2. Yeah, I think 2. It's 2 on the top, so on the top and the bottom we want 2, so on the Y, top and bottom 2, and left and right, so padding on the X should be 8. Let's try it 8. No, 6. 6 I think is the perfect spot. Yes, so that's the looks good. We'll go with 3 maybe here, so 3 and 6. Save this. Now let's add this logo as well. So we'll go to log. Yeah, this should be logo. So I'll copy this logo, and we'll have this logo appear after this. So in the left side we'll have this, and then the logo, and then Gmail text. So yeah, after the logo we'll have a div with an image inside. Is the music too loud, guys? Let me know. So logo inside, and if I save this, bam, do you see this? It's way too big. So we'll say here we'll say width should be, actually no, we'll go to the image directly. So we'll have a class name in the image, and the width should be 20. Save. I think the song is too loud. Okay. So yeah, the width should be like 12. Check this out. Maybe 8, 9. Should be definitely bigger, so I'll go with 12. Yeah, I'll go with 12, and let's make them flex. So I'll say flex here, flex items center, so center. Okay. Perfect. Now let's add some padding to the left as well. So we'll say padding to the left. Where is it? FY menu, div. I mean, we can get some. We can give some gap between them. So I'll say gap. Gap should be like what? Gap should be 8. Four maybe. Let's go with 4 actually, so 4. Now let's add this Gmail as well. So after this div we'll have a paragraph. I'll say a paragraph with the text Gmail, so Gmail. Save. Like that, but we'll make it pretty, you know, we'll make it pretty. So to make this pretty we'll say Gmail class name here, so we'll have a class name with the text, where the text should be 20 pixels. So I'll say 20 pixels. We'll make this text bold, so text or semi-bold, so font semi-bold. Save. We don't have semi-bold on this font, so I'll go with bold directly. Save. Text. Okay, it's font, so font, not text. Font. We'll go with semi-bold, so semi-bold. I think this looks good. So we'll go. I'll choose a color that's kind of this color right here. So I don't really like this how this logo looks, because it's too the height is just way too big. So we'll modify this by, let me show you. So we'll have here, where's the image? We'll have this image, and I'll transfer the width to this div right here, width 12, and height should be only 10, like this. We'll say flex as well, flex. We'll say flex, and here at the bottom we'll say content or object cover, like this. Save. And now take a look. Nice. Width okay, height 10, object cover. Let me take a look. So if you go from this, I can't really change the height of it. So if we go for example with 42, just to check this out, so I'll go with 52 actually, so 52 and 10. Yeah, so the width should be full, height should be full as well. Save. Okay, so this is what we want, so I'll go back to 20. Now you see what I mean, so something like this, but we'll go with instead of 20 we'll go with 16, let's try 16, something like this, and let's round up these corners right here. So to round the corners we'll just say rounded, and I'll say 0.5 rem, like this. Save. And we have to do the same thing on this image as well. So on the image I'll paste this and save, and bam, we have this. Now I can add the height to this height. I can say at 12 maybe. Now 10, we'll stick with 10. Okay, 2.5 rem. Okay, so if you go with 2 rem, let's try 2 rem. 2 rem is too low. 2.2, 0.3, 0.4 maybe. Yeah, 2.4 looks good. Okay, let's go back with 2.5 just because. 2.5. Okay, looks good. Now this Gmail should have margin on the left 1, but -1, you say, so something like this, so it's just closer, and the text should be 24, 25. Hey Arvin, what's up? 26, something like this. Now let's go back, and since we have this, why not make this text gray as well? So we'll go with text gray as well. Text gray 600. Save. Yeah, something like this. Nice. So text 600. We'll go with this text on the burger as well. So I'll copy this text color and I'll paste it on the burger as well. So here, paste and save. If I see for example red, let's check if this works. FY menu, so it's not working. Text red 400, 600. No, it's not really working. So if I go text, if I say BG, maybe BG, no, it should be text. Save. No, it should be text. It's because we cannot modify this logo. So if I go for example with another one, for example GR menu, no, high menu, this one probably works. So I'll go with menu outline. I think I'll go with this one. IO menu. Okay, no, I'll choose this one. So we'll go with this one. I'll change the logo from this one to this one. It's from /IO. I'll copy the logo, I'll paste it instead of this one and save. And it's not working because it's coming from a library called IO5. Save. And we have this right now. Perfect. Now let's make this text red. Where is it? IO outline. Okay, so we'll make the text red 400. Okay, so now it's working. So let's get this text gray 600 and paste it here as well. Save. And I have this. Now the width should be 8 and 8 now because we can. Save. The gap should be only 3, I say 3. Yeah, something like this. So let's continue now. I'll open this Big Panther. Yeah, okay. Yo bro, hello. Gmail, okay. Let's add some do you see here we have margin left 1. I don't want this now, so let's save it like this. Good. Now let's add this logo, this input right here. So in the middle, let's add the input. In the input right here, we'll have a div, and inside this div we'll have an input like this. So I'll say input. Type should be search, and the background of this input should be gray. So we'll say bg in the class name. So class name of this input, the background should be gray, so grayish. I'll go with gray 100, or why not go with neutral 100 or 200. I'll check. If not neutral, we'll go to slate. Yeah, it's different, so I like more slate. Let's check 100 as well. Ooh. Okay. 200. Why not 200? Now let's flex them as well. So flex item center left in this. So here we can say flex item center. Let's give some padding between it. So item center right here. We can give some, where's it, padding. Okay, we have gap 3 right here. Do we have some padding somewhere? Full text, no. Let me inspect this because it's not really centered. If you take a look closely at this, or is it centered? Oh no, I think it's centered. Perfect. Yeah, it's centered. Yep, it is indeed centered. Okay, so let's move this in the middle. So I'll close this. Input, okay. Input search bg slate. Okay, so let's add some padding to the left here, or just space between them. I'll say items, so justify here, justify between. So now it's justify between. Perfect. Let's add a different one. Let's add the right sidebar as well. I'll change the song as well. Okay. Now let's add the right sidebar as well. But first, let's I would actually style this a little bit. So first of all, let's add some border to the bottom here. So I'll say border bottom, save, and we have this border at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and style this a little bit. So we'll give this input a padding on the Y of 1.5 like this, and rounded should be rounded full. We'll stick with full. Now the padding on the Y can be only 1, to be honest, so I'll leave it as 1. Save. Let's make it width full as well. So we'll say rounded full, width full on this one. So width full. This one should be width full as well. I don't know if we need this to be width full, to be honest. So okay, we do. Jack Flurry, hello, what's up? Okay, so let's continue, guys. Okay. Hello Mr. Jake, hello Arvin, hello Jack Flurry, what's up, welcome to stream guys. Okay, so let's add first a max width. So on this input we'll say max width should be 15 rem, 20 rem, 20 rem, max width. Okay, so max width should be 20 rem. We'll go with 30 rem, maybe 30 rem, no, 20 rem. Perfect. Now let's add the right side as well. So we'll have a right side, but this one should not be width full, to be honest. So width full, rounded full, width full. Let's go back a little bit, and actually, yeah, it can be width full, but this input should be margin on the X auto. Save. And it's not working because I think I have to make it inside the div. I'll show you what I mean right now, because if I say bg red 400, 500, you can see how big this is. I want it to be in the middle, so I'll move this input inside this div, and here we'll say margin on the X auto, but this width full and max width, I'll copy this max width and move it right here. Save. And now it's in the middle, as you can see, it's perfect. So yeah, let's delete this red background here, and let's add the right side as well. So we'll have these three things right here, okay? Oh, but first let's add a placeholder as well. So we'll have, after the class name, we'll have placeholder equals, and let's say search. Save. I'll add some padding to the left as well. So let's say padding to the left of 4, 5 maybe, and that's it. So 5. Now let's add this search icon on the right of this input right here. So we'll go to the React icons, take a look for search. No need for extra div, just use text center. Sure, but we'll need a div because we'll have this thing right here. So margin X auto, max width, okay. We'll have this div search. Search. So this one will be absolute, so we'll indeed need a div, okay. So I'll copy this fy search. If you just want to center and not add a loop, a search icon, don't, you can just say text center. Agree. So Control V, because there's only one item, so text center will work. Now let's say fy here, so fy, save. I'll copy this fy search and we'll have it inside on the right side right here. So input div, okay. We'll have another div. No, let's just add this logo. So add this logo as a component right here. Now this one should be text black, so class name text, let's say text black. Oh, so it was right here, I did not see it. Perfect. So if I delete this, let me see if it's still showing. Yeah, it was still showing, what it's on the left side. So yeah, so text black, not text. Anyway, I'll delete this, and we should make sure this is absolute. This is absolute to this div. So we'll have it. Actually, this is kind of sketchy, you know. So margin X auto. Yeah, we'll have to move this inside just to make sure it's inside this div. So we'll make this absolute relative to this div. So relative, like this. Now it's relative to this div. Let's just say item center here. So flex items center, save. Now it's centered. Let's move this to the right side. So since it's absolute, we'll have to say right. We cannot use margin or padding because it's an absolute element. We'll have to use right 0, okay. okay. Yes, you can use any CSS styling in Tailwind CSS. What does relative do? So relative takes this item when it's absolute by default to a parent div that has relative, or to the whole body tag, you know. So if you don't set a relative, for example, I've set relative to this div right here. So if I say, for example, where is it, relative, if I say bgred 400 like this, save, now it's relative to this div right here. But if I take out this relative, take a look, if I take out this relative, it's still relative to this one, but if, for example, you move it outside and save, it's not relative to this thing anymore. So we'll have, for example, if I set relative here, now it's relative to this parent div, right? But I want it to be inside here and here. Perfect. So relative is just specifies in which container should this absolute element be. I hope I explained this correctly. So we want this to be to the right, okay? So if I say right 0 here, right is to the right of this whole element, okay? So width, max width, okay, width full. If I say bg red on this one, bg red for 500. Yeah, so it should be relative to the input, not to this one. So bg red 500. Why is it outside then? Right 0, absolute. Oh, we do not have the relative anymore. So see, if I don't set the relative, it's going outside. So relative. Now if I set the relative, it's relative only to this div. If I take this out, it's relative to this bigger div right here. See the difference? This is why relative is useful. So now we can delete this red background, and instead of right 0, we'll say right 2 or 3, like this. And the background of this should be black or bluish, like this, something like this. Let's take out, let's get this color. So I'll go to downloads really fast, mail. Okay, so let me go to history, because we have this history, mail logo. Yeah, so here, let me get this color. So I'll go to eyedropper right here, and let me get, which color should I get? Something like around here. Okay, so I'll copy this color, copy it. Okay, perfect. Now in the input on the right side, so FY search div input. Okay, so here I'll say bg, and here inside these brackets I'll set a custom color. So if I say Ctrl V, okay, we only want this thing right here, this color. I copied more than I needed to, so let me go back. So here I can paste the color like this, save, and it's not what we were looking for. So I'll copy this, save, and we should add it only to this thing right here. So I'll create another div, right? I'll move this icon inside this div right here, save. Now save. Now I can give this div this color, so I'll say save. This div has no background or any spacing, so I'll move this right here, save. And now you can see the background, it's applying to this icon. So let's give this a padding all around of 1, and for example say padding all around of 2 maybe. Yeah. Now the right, where is right 3, we'll say right 0, something like this. Now let's say rounded on the right, so rounded on the right should be full. Save. Now I have this, but we can give some padding to the left. So I'll say padding to the left. Where is it? Here. Save. I'll say padding to the left of 2. To the right, my bad. So to the right, padding to the right. Save. Now, as you can see, this shrinked. So we can say shrink 0, but I'm not sure if this is gonna work. No, because it's not gonna work. But instead of padding to the right, we can just say margin to the right. Save. And now margin works perfectly. So instead of 2, I'll go with 1. Yeah, so 1 looks good. I would just want a lighter color, you know. So let me get a lighter color really fast. Okay. So let me get this color back again. So where is it? Do I still have? Yes. So I'll get a lighter color. We'll go here, pick a color. We'll go with something like this. Let me copy this color as well. Copy. So instead of this one, we'll have this one. Paste. Save. And not a big fan of this color. Save. Okay, so more something like this, but lighter. So I'll go with lighter. I think something like this looks better. Oh yeah, so it's something like this. Okay, so something like this. I like this one, so we'll stick with this one. Now when you click on this, you can see this ugly outline, so let's delete this outline. We'll say in the input outline, outline 0, save. Now when you click on this, you don't have this outline. Perfect. Let's add the right side as well, so we'll go to the here and let's create this right side as well, guys. Use gradient. Yes, we can use a gradient. We can use a gradient, but we'll do that later. So now we have the search. We have the search. Cool. If I say save. Nah, okay, I'll delete this. Save. Now on the right side, let's add this, this, and this. So on the right side, I'll have a div. For this div, we'll have first a question mark. Okay. Let me close this. What is this good for? I'm not sure. We'll have like the apps for sure. So we'll have the apps. So let's look for apps first of all. We'll have something like, I think these ones are the exact same apps that they have in Google as well, but we'll use something different. So for example, we'll use something like this, GR groups apps rounded. So we'll go here at the top, let's duplicate this one, let's paste them in, Control V, /gr, so gr, save. Now we can use them inside the app, so copy this and let's use them inside the right side. So I'll have a component. No, I'll have like, yeah, it looks like a component. And we have these. Let's give this class name a width of 20 as well, and a height of 20 as well. So it's way too big. Go 88. Still too big. We'll go with 6. Okay, save. You are so good. Thank you. Submit Mehra. Live stream are so good. Thank you, dude. Thank you. So 6 and 6, I think it looks decent. I like it how this looks. So we'll have this, then we'll have this easy mail, and this person, I guess this should be your name. I guess we'll have the name and then the profile picture. Yeah, why not? So we'll have the profile picture first. I like it this way. So we'll have the profile picture and then this thing right here. So let's do that. I'll have a div right here. Inside this div we'll have two things. So first of all, we'll have the profile and then the name. So we'll have the profile picture. I'll have, for example, an image tag, and let's get a profile picture from Unsplash. Unsplash, it's a really good, cool website to get images from. So I'll say face. We usually have two faces that we usually like to use. So either this one or where's the other guy? Let me see. It was called Mark or something like this, huh? No, this guy. So either that girl or this guy because their faces are centered and perfect and they look awesome when on profiles. So this should be guy. I'll say guy.jpg. Now let's use this guy. So I'll say Ctrl B. Let's import guy from /assets/guy dot jpeg save. I'll copy this guy and let's use it as the source in my image. So right here, save, and take a look. Bam, nice. Let's give a width of 6 and height of 6 as well. So we'll say class name, save. Now it's too small, so we'll go ahead and make this like 12 and 12. Why it's let's say flex right here. So flex items, item center, like that. But why is this like this? I'm not sure. I'll move this at the top right here, so I'll copy this. Okay, so now it's working. We'll say here, for example, flex, because we want to make this an object cover. So I'll say flex object cover. So oh, it was because we added this in the alt section. So or not sure. Have we added that in the alt section? Let's check this out. Save. Oh no, it's not. Save. So flex, we'll say here object class name object cover. Now we can say rounded full as well. So rounded like that. Now we'll make it smaller as well, so we'll go with 10 and 10. So 10 and 10, something like this. Okay. Do you create only UI layout or backend as well? I plan on doing some backend as well in the next few days for sure. So yeah, let's continue now. So we'll have some name, his name as well. So after this div we'll have a paragraph. I guess we'll have a paragraph with goose dev and save. Now we'll make them flex. Where is it? So do you see how this is wrapping? We don't want this. So how do you change this? Well, you say class name. So here we say white space no wrap, and if you save, bam, there's no white space wrapping. Okay, now this is probably flowing outside the div, but it's not a problem for us for now. So here we can say font semi bold. We can make the text be like 20 pixels. 8 18 maybe, 18 pixels, like this. Now let's add some space between them. So we'll have, for example, here on the left we'll have a div for this image and for the name as well. Save. Now they should be flex, item center. Let's add some spacing between them. So let's say gap, for example. When you say flex, when you have a div flex, you can add gap. So we'll say gap 2. But when you don't have an item flex, you can say instead of gap, you can say space on the X. So X it's left and right, or Y it's top and bottom. So you can say, for example, on left and right of 4, and this will do the same thing. See? So I'll say 6 maybe. Same thing. So I'll keep gap because we have flex. So gap 2, and here at the top let's copy this. We want gap 2 here as well. Save. Maybe even more. So gap 4 or 3. Text small. Text small for which one? For this one. So we want, instead of this one to be small. Let's see. I don't know if I like it. I think I like this more. Let's see the easy mail. Okay, it should probably be like here, looks so good with the small text. You like it with the small text? We should add this border all around. So let's add the border, and on the right side I'll say border. So border. Save. And now we have all this border. We can say padding all around of 1. Save. And let's add, I think there's too much yeah, there's too much spacing all around, so I guess I'll have to make it smaller, the picture and the text as well. Yo bro, M Virus, what's up? Okay, between the two class names on the right side, why do they both have flex items center? Because if I delete this, let me show you, this and this will not be centered. Save. Do you see? And this one, it's responsible for this one. See? So border, save. Want the border to be rounded full. Okay, something like this. We'll give some padding to the left on this goose dev. So say padding to the right, actually should be 2. Like that, nice. Why not get this color right here and have the border this color? So we have it right here. I'll copy this. So to do that, you'll have to say where's the border. Here we'll say border, save. And now the border is this color, but I don't know if I like it. We can do a trick, and here in the image we can say, for example, padding all around of 1, and now the BG, should be this color. So BG this color. Let's try this one. So BG, save. And let's see rounded full as well. So rounded full. Save. So what do you think about this? If I give this border, where is border, we can say border 2, and the border is just thicker. If I say 3, 4 maybe. no. Let's leave it as 2. Okay, and where's the padding 1? Padding 1 means 4 pixels. Let's try with 2 pixels as well. Okay, I think this one looks more manageable. If I change the color of this thing as well, padding all around of 2 pixels. If I go with 1 pixel, now let's leave it as 2. And the image, height it's 40 pixels. What if you go with 35 pixels? 35 pixels, and I want 35 pixels. No, the height should be, oh yeah, 35 pixels as well. What if I go like this? Okay, I think this one looks better, like this. That looks nice, yeah, looks nice. Now let's modify the color of this thing right here as well. So we'll take this color, I'll copy it, and for this item we'll say text. So the text, even though it's an icon, we can use it like this. Save. And this particular icon does not have this feature that lets you change the color of the icon, but if you get any other icon, they'll probably have it. I think I prefer it black actually. So you can get a different icon that will let you change the color of the icon, or we can keep this as black. And I think I like it better as black. There will be just too much blue on the screen. So I'll have this thing right here as well. Goose dev font. If I go with bold, nah, okay, semi bold. Yeah, something like this. I think it looks good. I like it this way. So if I change the order, let's see how this looks. If I change the order, save. I think this one it's better looking. Do have some gap 3 right here, okay, gap 2. Do have padding on the left or something, or not really? I think this one looks better if I go with 3. Yeah, I think I like it better this way. Now let's go ahead and style the next thing. So I feel like this one is obnoxiously big. It's so big. If I say gap, what is on the left side? This should be width 8, height 8. How much is 8? 32 pixels. If I go for example with 25 pixels and 25 pixels, no, not this one. Save. Gmail, where is it? The logo with full div height. Yeah, so if I go with 14, yeah, I think like this looks better. Okay, I think like this looks better. And what we have to do right now is to go ahead and build the inbox. So let's go build the inbox. We'll build the left sidebar at the end. So we'll build this inbox right here in the middle, around this one, and then at the end we'll build this left sidebar, because this one shows only on web devices, because on mobile we won't have the same space. We'll have like this thing right here that will show up the left sidebar if you click on this on mobile, but we don't want to show this by default on mobile. Okay, so let's go ahead and build this inbox. So for the inbox, take a look at this. We'll have all these things that will let us modify the email, and then we'll have the number of the pages, all these icons, and underneath, how should you call this, like settings or something, edit. I'll call this edit, and then underneath we'll have primary, social, I'll call this inboxes, and then we'll have the mails, so mails right here. So 3, not components, but 3 sections inside the inbox. Okay, yeah, and then the left sidebar should show up only when you go after like 768 pixels. So any device bigger than that should show the left sidebar as well. Okay. Okay. So let's continue, guys. We check something really fast as well. So next step. Okay, so let's go to app.js. I'll say Control B. I'll change the song as well. Okay. Okay. Left sidebar, middle. Yeah, so let's build the inbox. So I'll have a div right here with, oh, not a div, we'll have a component. So I'll have a component called inbox. Control B. Let's build this inbox inside component. So inbox, inbox.js, rafc. If you want this extension, go to extensions and install the S7 React Redux snippets. You can see the name right here, and you can install Tailwind CSS instance as well from here if you want. Okay, now let's continue. So we'll have first of all inside the inbox, let me see, Control B. We should import the inbox as well. So let's import the inbox first of all. Save. Now you can see inbox right here. Perfect. Nice. Now let's create the layout of this inbox. So I'll say inbox, and for this inbox we'll have, let's see, okay. I was looking at the subs. Thank you guys so much for 16.5k. We've almost hit 20k, so that's insane. That looks nice. Okay, so I'll have this div right here. For this one, let's have the layout of this page. So I'll have at the start, this should be called settings or something like that. So settings or edit. So edit or cleanup, something like that. So edit. Then we'll have the recommend categories. We'll have categories after this one. So categories. And at the end here we'll have the actual inbox, so this thing right here. For the menu items, will you use array of object with icon and title? Yes, we can use it here, icon and title. This will be a single component, and we'll change the icon and the title of this. We'll map through the object with we'll map through the array of objects. And here as well, same thing right here, categories. And then we'll have the messages, so messages or mails, so mails. And again, for the mail we'll have a component called mail, and we'll change it based on the message. So yeah, we'll have here the edit. So for the left thing, we'll have a div right here. Full stack or just front end clone? We're doing the front end of this app. So edit. Okay, so in edit here we'll have, let's see, so the left thing right here will have a box, bam bam bam. Okay, so here we have a box or a circle, so circle. So circle, like which one? Let's see. Be a circle like this. item center centers the elements along vertical axis, and justify centers it along horizontal axis. Am I right? Yes, you are right. When using flex, yes. Okay. So yeah, I'll okay, BS pause. Do I have any other more? No. BS plus circle here. I mean, this one can work. BS plus circle, so use this one. Okay, we'll import it here. Let me paste the name of this icon, and let's get the example of how to import an icon. So I'll paste the example here, and I'll change the name of the icon to our icon, BA plus circle, from /by, so by. Now let's copy this and let's use it in the left side. So we'll have a left side here and the right side here. So we'll have for this thing left side, and then the right side as well. The right side as well. So for the left side we'll have this thing right here. Actually they'll have to be inside different divs like this. So in this div we'll have a BA plus circle, so this one should be like a component. Save and check this out. Bam, we have this. Okay, how are you? Alhamdulillah, bro. Hello, how are you? Good. How are you? How about you? Now let me do something first. Actually, not even. Okay, so let's continue. I have this width full, so edit. Okay, edit. Yeah, so it's this thing right here. Then categories, then mails. Okay, so for the edit section, this one will have the width. If I say bg red 400, let's check this out. The width is full, perfect by default. Now what I want to do, save. On the left side we'll have the BA plus circle. Okay, you can have this refresh as well, or I'll just say, where is it? Button. So you can add something like different, you know. I really don't want to make it the same as Google. But you can get a better looking icon if you want. I'm just not gonna use him, so I'll have something like this. Ctrl V from /bs. What will this be? Save. And now let's use it as well. I'll copy. Hello Ahmad, what's up? So after BA plus circle, we'll have this. Flex. Item center. Okay. Yo Goose, what's up? Sad, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Hey. So yeah, let me check something. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. What I want to do now, guys, let me take a look really fast. Oh, I don't think I have. What's up with my internet? Okay, I already built Gmail clone, so we'll join you tomorrow for the other build. Okay, cool. See you tomorrow, Sal. What I want to do, okay. What I wanted to do is content. Let me download something really fast. Okay. Music, okay, lives, videos. Okay, so we have the Walmart, okay, music, okay. Yeah, so let's continue, guys. Just wanted to make sure about something. Okay. All right, yeah. Okay. Now I'll be pushing the GitHub website to my profile. Yeah, good thing. Prabuda, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Have 48 people watching. Okay, let's continue, guys. So have this these two things right here. We'll make them bigger. So we'll say class name. The width should be 12. Height should be 12 as well. That's too much. We'll go with 10 and height 10 as well. 7. Okay, we'll go with 6 and 6. 6 should do. Yeah, 6 should do. So width, height 6. We'll copy this. We'll paste it to this one. Save it like this. Bam. Hello Praduba, what's up? Honestly, for this one I can use 5 and 5 just because it's too big. Save. Yeah, something like this. Now they should definitely have some spacing between them, and let's use some settings as well. So for like that, we'll have a settings. Where settings? For the settings, we'll have go settings. Copy this one. I'll duplicate this one. Bam. Actually not. I'll duplicate this one. I'll paste this in. And I'll move it here. Save. And let's import this one as well. So go settings. Let's import the icon as well before we use it. No. Copy. Paste. Front slash go. And wait a little bit. Bam. Perfect. GG, nice work going on. Okay, thank you. I had no idea you guys have all these icons, all these emojis. They're fire. So yeah, let's continue, guys. We'll have let's see, we'll have what I was thinking about. Yeah, some spacing between them. So we'll add some spacing between them first of all. But before we do this, do we want to add the spacing that we get from the left sidebar? I don't know about that. Ooh, so see this on navbar, we'll have to modify it as well. Forgot about that. What's up? Hello, Psychoclone, Shazam, Kretsu. What's up? Welcome to the stream. Welcome back to the stream. 60 people watching. It's insane. So let me add the design back. Okay guys, so we're building this Gmail 2.0. Now we're redesigning this. So we'll have on the right side, left side, yeah. So we want to add some spacing between them first of all. So space between them. Left side, yeah, on the left side first of all. So flex item center, we'll say justify between. Now we'll say just a space or gap. I'll say gap between them of 4 and save. Something like this. And do you see this padding here on the left and here? We can copy this as well. So padding on the X it's 6, so I'll copy this. Padding on the Y is 3. Okay, so app.js inside the inbox. We can paste this at the top, so save, and now bam, perfect. We have this padding on the left and on the right as well. Okay, let's continue, guys. We have settings as well. Yeah. We can go ahead and build this thing up. So we'll have on the right side. On the right side, we'll have another div. So I'll create another div right here. A div that says hi inside, save, and you can see it's below it. So we have to say flex item center. Like that, and should be space between space justify between, so justify, and take a look, it's on the right side, perfect. I'll move this at the end right here. Okay, so flex items, justify between, padding on the X. Okay, so on the right, yeah, let's add the 1 through 50. Let's add 1 through 50 of 355, so number of the emails. We have a div. Should we add a div? I mean, you can just have 2 paragraphs. So I have paragraph 1 that says 1 through 50 of 354. Are you using Tailwind CSS? Yes, we are using Tailwind CSS, indeed. Yes, we are. Okay. So, move a little bit. Let's continue. Save this. We can give this a text gray as well, so class name. We can give this a class name of, let's see, app.js navbar. We want this color, where is it? We want this color, so I'll go to navbar, Gmail, text gray 600. Okay, copy, go back to inbox, and this should be the text. Save. And on the right side, I think it worked. Let's see, save. Yes, it definitely worked. So maybe 500. Let's check with 500. Yeah, now we can definitely see the difference. This should be text or font. Font should be medium, so I'll go with medium. Yeah, perfect. After the text font medium, we'll have a left and right as well. So we'll have left and right as well. So see arrows. Why not use these ones? So I have these ones just because they are different. Should I have like 2 of these? No, I think I'll have these and that's it. You can use the actual icons if you want. No, I just copied it. Copy this again. Paste /hi. I hope it's not high 5. Let's see. high. High arrows, okay. So after this one should be a component, an icon like this, save. This library is called high5, save. No, it's not called high5. High2, save. And we get this, perfect. When do you sleep? I only see you streaming. No, I only streamed like 4 hours in the last week, so it's not complicated at all. So font medium, okay. High arrows, font on 50, okay. So let's say flex. Items center, like that. We want some padding between them, so padding or gap, we can say gap here, so gap of 2, gap of 3, okay, gap of 3. I mean, do we want this to be gray still? Not really, we only want this to be gray, so I'll move it here. Oops, I'll move it here, save. And this one can be black, I like it black, like this. Okay. Now, let me change this thing as well, guys. Okay. Yes. Next one. Yeah, so this one should be, let's see, black. Okay, these should be gray as well, so these 3 icons should be gray as well. If I take this gray color and paste it where here, class name, save. Okay, perfect. Now why not, if I go back a little bit, save, and if I paste it here, will it work? Yeah, so it's working like this as well, so I can delete this text gray, say, so everything gets gray right now on the left on this thing. Okay, you only have to specify gray, text gray one time, and every single item will be gray if you specify it in the parent div right here, so in the edit. Okay, now after these icons we can have something like this and this and this. We'll have 3 more, right? We'll have thing like that, so I'll go with files maybe, or something. I'll go with files, and for the files we should have something like, I don't know, this one maybe. We'll drop it at the top from VSC, I guess. VSC, save. Now let's use it as well, so I'll paste it after this thing, so right side, I'll paste it here, save, and bam, have it here. Now we should have a keyboard as well and settings as well, so let's go to the keyboard as well. I'll have a keyboard here. FA keyboard, we'll paste it here, so paste, Ctrl V. Let's duplicate this one like this, and let's copy and paste it here. /fa save, and bam, have it as well. At last we have the settings button, so let's get the settings button as well. So settings, and we should be done with these icons. So settings, okay, which one looks best? User settings, maybe? Yeah, let's go this one. We have other user settings. They don't look as good. I think I'll stick with this one, with GR user settings, and let's paste this at the top. So I'll duplicate this, Control and arrow down, Shift Alt arrow down, /gr, so let's say GR. Wait a little bit, and let's use it as well. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it in, paste, save, and we have it as well. Bam. Now it's not the color gray because the library does not allow you to change the color of this icon, so let's change it as well, guys. Okay, let me change this icon to a different one. We'll go, for example, for this one, GR user settings, paste, and paste it where? GR users here as well. Save. /ri, so ri. Save. And take a look. Perfect. Now let's add some more spacing between them and actually make them bigger. So the first thing to do is add width 6, height 6. Okay, so I'll say width 6, height 6. Save this like that. Kind of big. For example, this one is kind of big, so I'll go with 5 here. Maybe 5 on these two as well. 5 here as well. And here 5 as well. Okay, something like that. Nothing too big, too obnoxious. Okay. So yeah, let's continue. So let me 2 seconds and we'll continue. Okay, so Evo, he's using Tailwind CSS. Yes, we are using Tailwind CSS indeed. Kippy, what's up, dude? He sleeps 5 minutes. After that, he continues. Okay, I only now see your comment, Kippy. Are you still here? Cappy. Okay, let's continue. So, have the right side, okay. Then the categories will have like a div, something like this. So categories, okay. Categories, yeah. Maybe add some spacing between them. I don't know. Should I add some spacing? Yeah. So we want some padding at the top as well. So here we can say class name, padding top of 2. Of 3. Like that, and we want some border on the bottom as well. So border border bottom. So we want padding on top and on the bottom, so Y on the Y axis like this. Looks nice, looks nice. I already like this. So where is the padding on the X? Okay, on this left side we have gap 4, we'll go with 6. No more T. Okay, let me create that poll. Okay, I forgot about it. Comment T. If you joined the stream. Okay, and then let me do it again. So let me do it again. Okay, I just posted it. Thanks for reminding me. And let me drop my where is it? Fiverr. Let me drop this as well. So if I go to profile, okay, I'll drop my Fiverr in the description as well, guys. So if you want to book a study session with me on Fiverr, coffee, okay, pin message, cool. So yeah, now let's add some more spacing here. So we have here gap of 6, so it's gap 1.5 rem. I'll copy this, I'll paste it here as well, so gap 6, save, wait a little bit, bam, nice. So we actually want more, we'll go with 8 or something like this, 8. Yeah, looks good, doesn't look bad. So here on the left we have this, and on the right this. Maybe more on the left, so gap 6 we have, instead of 6 we have 8. Okay, and I think they're just too big, so we'll go with 5. How much is 5? 1.25 rem, and 6 is how much? 1.5, and 5 it's 1.25. Oh yeah, that's a big difference, so we'll go with 1.4. 1.4 rem. Okay, so 1.4 rem. I'll copy this, paste it here as well, save. Yeah, something like this. Now I want to do the same thing for this one as well. Copy, paste here, paste it here, just slightly. I'll go with 3 here and 3 here as well, and here should be the same. So let me copy this, no, 1.2 and 2. Maybe 1 it's enough. Is this code open source? If where can I find them? Yes, you can find this in my GitHub. All my projects from YouTube, you can find them on GitHub. I have a link with each project inside each video, so you can find them easily if you want to copy my code. Save. Okay, yeah, we want 1.1 and 1.1. Yeah, something like this. By the way, you deserve more subs. Thank you. Hello, Lukavid, what's up? Have this set up right here. I like how this looks for now. I really like this. Okay, so now let's build the next thing. So next thing should be this thing right here. So we'll have an object called a button with an icon and the text as well. Let me change the sound as well, guys. I'll I'll change the song. Cool. Okay, so for this we'll have a component, so I'll go Control B and right side categories. Yeah, so inside categories here, these right here are the categories. So let's create here in the categories a first of all, let's create a const. So this will be an array of objects, so each object will be a button. So for the first button we'll have const, no, for the whole array we'll say const, and the const should be, the first const should be, let's see, the first const should be we'll go with buttons. I'll call them buttons. Now categories, so categories like this equals with an array of objects, and the first object should be, let's see, the first object should be a button with a logo. So the logo should be say logo, and the logo should be an icon. So let's take the icon from somewhere first, but I'll say the title should be primary. So this will be, I'll call this main or important. Let's call this important. Ciprian Paraskiv, hello, what's up dude? Where are you from in Romania, Ciprian? So important, and the logo should be something like an inbox. Let's look for an inbox. I'll say inbox or mail. We'll take, which one should we get? IOMD or this one? I'll go with this one, so IO mail from /IO. Okay, from /IO. Save. Okay, so from /IO, IO mail. Okay, I'll copy this. Copy. I think it's IO2. Save. IO5. No. From /IO /IO5. No, what's the problem? Oh yeah. Okay, so I'll copy this. We did not add anything here, so we'll have this as a component. Save this. Let me open the design as well. Wait, what? Title, yeah, we have this that we don't need. Save. We only need a comma. Save. Try every IO. What? Save. And now we can have this logo. We'll map through them and display them as well, but first let's create all these buttons. So we'll have first this object that is the first button with the logo and with the title as well. So we'll have a comma right here, and now let's just duplicate this one. So after this IO mail, let me change the song as well, guys. I'll go to a new playlist. I'll go to the saved. Okay. Okay, so beautiful. Okay, thanks. Okay, so primary, this one should be social, so I'll say media or something like this, media, and the icon should be, I'll look for media one. So media, I'll get, for example, this one or this one. Duplicate, paste from /MD, so MD. I'll copy this, paste it here. Now the next one should be these promotions, so I'll duplicate this, I'll call this deals. Do you have any tips for me? I don't know, just practice, make new projects. You have tutorials on YouTube, should not be hard, dude. MD media, okay, so media for deals, let's say deals, I'll say money. I'll get this one, BY money, Ctrl V, /by. Do I have a by? Yeah, so here at the top you see we have a /by, so I'll copy this by money, I'll paste it right here with a comma, so comma, save, and let's use it here. Sorry. So after this one we'll duplicate this, and after these promotions we'll have updates. So this one should be news. I'll look for news. Which one should we get? This one, by news. So I have another by, I'll say comma by. Let's copy this and use it, save. Now the last one should be forums. So for the forums I'll go here, where is it, here, forums. I look for thread. I look for media, no, social. T, hello Jamal, hello Fractune, hello Somoro, what's up guys, welcome to the stream. So socials, I'll go with this one. Oh, news, it's news, okay, news. Money, news, oh, we already have news, my bad. So news, this one, and let's duplicate this. After the news we'll have forums. So forums should be something like chat. Okay. List icon for forums, list. Okay, so let's try for list. Let's look for list. So list, okay, so list. Yeah, looks good. We'll get a list. But which one should we get? I'll go with this one. So BS card or BS card. Okay, BS card. From /BS, do we have a BS? Yes, so here we have a BS. I'll paste this in, and let's copy it and paste it here. And this one should be forums. I'll say chats, and we can save. And now let's now is the interesting part, guys. Sorry for that. Now it's the interesting part. So let's go ahead and map through these and actually show them on the screen. Okay, it should not be that hard. Okay, so okay, I have media. Okay, categories. So let's say categories that map. So here we'll say categories that map, and for each category we'll have a category button. So category, Control B now. Let's create a component called category .js rafc, save, and take a look at this. So I'll save it, Control B now. Let's import category as well, so Control space and category, so make sure you have it imported here, save. Now we can map to these and for each, let me show you, for each object like this, you can see for each object from this list we get a category deal, right? So you can see this border that we have border bottom, we don't want it here, save, we want it after this thing right here. So I'll add it left side, no, right side, no, categories, no, right side. How did we name this? So we named this left side, right side. Okay, so edit, so right here. We want the border to be here, so border, Control V, save. Wait a little bit, and bam, we get this, see? So padding on the X6, we have padding on the Y3. I'll copy this. So it should be padding top 3. Okay, like that. And padding top 3. Yeah, we want some padding bottom 3 as well, so padding on the bottom should be 3 as well here. And we got this right here, perfect. Should it be less? I don't know. Maybe if you say padding top 2 and 2 here as well. Maybe this will look better, save. I think this looks better. Or 2.5 here as well. Okay, this looks perfect. Do you have 2 monitors or just one and split in 3 parts? You are so fast with the shortcuts or on VS Code them? Oh, I don't think so. I only have, like, for example, is Control B like this, and then if you want to duplicate the line, for example this one, it's Shift Alt arrow down. What else? To open the terminal it's Control and I don't know what this key is called. It's this key, this one, or this one on your PC. And if you want to import something, just Control and space. So for example, Control and space to get suggestions. That's all. Do you have 2 monitors? Yes, I have 2 monitors. For one is for the chat, so for this thing right here, and one is for the coding. So I have nothing prepared, but to teach series to teach React, yeah, for sure. Don't spam, dude, don't spam. There's no need to spam. 71 people watching, guys. Okay, it's insane. Let's continue. So it's 6 PM. Okay, that's why. So category, let's go ahead, and for the category we'll have different things showing up. Okay, let me put user in timeout. Cool. So for this one, instead of showing category right here, we can actually go ahead and inside category we can pass these props. So where is it? Right side, categories here. Let's pass these props so we have the logo and the title as well. So I'll copy the logo and let's pass the logo as props equals with category dot logo. And the next one should be title, so I'll copy the title, Control copy, and let's use the title as well. So title equals with category dot title and save. And now we can use these props inside the component. So inside the category we can use these props. Let's destructure them. So we'll say logo and title as well, save. And now if I copy this logo and just paste it here like this inside the, because we're writing JavaScript, if I write this, we have this, all these icons. Perfect. Let me open this. Okay. Save this, and we should have the icon, and after this we'll have the title. So inside the paragraph, let me say paragraph here. Inside the paragraph we'll have the title, so title, save, title, wait a little bit, bam. Now we'll say class name, flex, item center, like that. We can make this item center in the inbox as well. So in the inbox we can say here flex items, item center, like that. Now let's give some padding between them and make style them a little bit. So here we can say space between, and width full as well. Justify between, so just justify between, we don't need width full here. Save like this, perfect. Some people, okay, I think it's okay, it's called backtick. Okay, backtick. Some people also call it grave key. Please stop your mouth. What? Make an Instagram 2.0. We already did Instagram 2.0. Okay, sorry. No, dude, stop. Don't be a bully. I know, okay? Can you modify the space between the justify? You cannot modify because we just said space between. Just spread around all this white space that we have right here. If you don't want this justify between, you can just save like this, and you can just add some space in between them. So for example, you can say gap, so gap between them of 12, and save. And now you can just, instead of 12, you can say 24 or something like this, like that. And I guess they have, let's say 32, or you can just do something like this, you know. But where do we have these categories? Okay, gap 32. We'll need another div. We'll move everything inside this div and save. Or actually not even, if I say Ctrl Z, let me go back, save like this, and we can just say margin on the X. So margin on the X, so left and right of 6, I guess it was 6. Let's try 6. Can you show the styles file? These are the styles files. So we are writing CSS with Tailwind CSS. So this is the style. What we see written in the in the class name, it's Tailwind CSS. So if you hover over this Tailwind CSS text, you can get the styling in plain CSS. So for example, item center means item center align items center, or justify between means justify content space between. Padding on the X means padding left 1.5, padding right 1.5. See, it's very easy to understand. Font median Z means font weight 500, gap 8 means gap to rem, and so on. It's really easy to understand. We just said flex. To change the categories from vertical to horizontal. Okay. I don't know. Nope, we did not. Okay, so now we've said gap 32. I don't think we want this. I'll say flex, justify between. So justify between. Wait a little bit. Okay, so we have the margin and justify between as well. Now I'll add some space between these two. So inside the category, first of all we'll say gap here. So gap of 2. We want some padding to the top and padding to the bottom as well, but we want a border bottom as well. So let's go into the inbox first, and here let's say border bottom. So border bottom, save, and we get this border right here. Border bottom means border bottom width 1 pixel. Okay, so we want some padding here on the Y, so top and bottom. Y means top and bottom of 1.5. And take a look at this. I think we need like 2. Save. 2. Here we have a lot more, but I think this looks good. Okay. Hello Shenzon, I mean, what's up? Now I'll make this text gray. Okay, so where is it? Right side, gray. Where have I used this? Okay, so text gray 500. I'll use it here as well. Okay, perfect. Now, do you see that this border is not closing anymore? Yeah, so that's a problem. Well, it's because we have this margin on the x of 6. Save. If I say padding, oops. If I say padding on the x of 6 and save, it's better like this. Okay, perfect. A quick note on your stream description: place a GitHub link. It has link to your YouTube music repository, not the homepage or the current project. Yeah, because we'll update that at the end of this live stream. Hey Goose, hello Stark, hello Valonard, hello Madison. Welcome to the stream, guys. We have all these things. Now let's make this text in the category class name of text semi-bold or font semi-bold. So font semi-bold. Save. Now this icon should be bigger as well. So where is it? Inbox. I have these icons, and we can just go here, class name, and say width of 6, height 6. Yep, something like this. I'll copy this. Save. So inside the category, okay, so inside the category here in the logo, can we do it here? Not really, so we'll have to do it here. Yeah, we'll have to do it here, guys. Sorry, looks bad, but I don't want to pass props with CSS and everything, so sorry about this. Save and take a look at this. Bam. I think they're too big, so we want this width 1.4, height 1.4. Control D, 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 D. Paste this, save, and they should get smaller any second. Yeah. Should we go even smaller or no? If I save, let's see the difference. Yeah, well, I want this to be like 1.3 and 3 here as well, and save. And yeah, 1.35. No, I think this is fine. It's fine. So we'll leave this like this. Now on a hover, we want the color to be like this. You see the difference here? So we want a underline or something like this, or I don't want this to be the same thing. So when you hover or when you click on this thing or on active, we want the color to be different. So let's say, for example, okay, so we'll give a color for every single button, right? So okay, let me check something really fast, guys, and we'll go back in a second. Okay. 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 Yeah, well, we've said that we want a different color when we click on this. So if you go to category, first of all, when you hover over this should be cursor pointer. So let's say here cursor pointer. Save. Now when hover over this, take a look, we get this cursor pointer, perfect. Like that. Now what we want to do is when I click on this, or hover actually, when I hover over this, I want the color to change. Yes, we'll provide the code after this is complete. Hello Flippy Storm, hello Grav Scene, welcome to stream. Now when you hover over this, let's go to the inbox, and here let's write some more CSS. We'll give here, let's see, we'll say on hover, the icon should go to which color? Let's say text should be, for important, should be yellow, or yellow 500. Save, and take a look at this. When I hover, it's going to be yellow. Okay, so I have this set up right here. Now I want the text to be yellow as well, so this is gonna be a little bit difficult because we have to give a CSS styling as well. So I'll say CSS, and we need the CSS for the text. So this CSS should say text on hover text yellow 500. Copy. Now we'll need this thing for each individual object. So I'll add it here as well. I'll add it here as well. I'll add it here as well. Like this. And now when you hover over them, nothing is happening because we have to pass this CSS as a prop. So when you go here in the category, we have this props logo title. Now we want to add the CSS as a prop as well. This is how you use props. You can make it with group and group hover. Yes, indeed, but we'll have to pass the CSS. So what Gabriel is saying, it's when you hover over this news, you want the icon and the text to be both yellow, you know. So to do this, you'll have to add group to this div that is the parent of these two. You'll have to add group and group hover. Okay, so let's do that, guys. So let's continue. Inbox, okay. CSS. So let's pass the CSS. The CSS will be category dot CSS. Save. Now let's pass the CSS as well. Copy. In the category, we can just paste it here. Oops. No. So here we need a CSS here. Save. And let me take a look. If I say, for example, text yellow 500, is the icon is gonna change to yellow as well. Let's see. Yeah, so the yellow is changing. Okay, so in the inbox we don't need this thing anymore. So this class name of hover, or I don't know what, we don't need this. Media, okay, save. Perfect. Okay, so let me open the design back. Do you have any specific video for Tailwind CSS tutorial, start to end, in your playlist? Not really, but I use it every single day, so yeah, let's continue. So when you hover over this, where is it? Hover text yellow right here. Nice. So now we can go inside the category, and instead of me saying this text yellow for every single one, we want this to be displayed dynamically depending on the object CSS. Okay, so depending on the button CSS will display the color. Okay, so let's add the CSS here. So we'll have here a CSS. This is how you add props inside the class name. So you have to add this $sign. You have to add this $sign, and then inside we'll have the CSS. Save. And now take a look at this. We have the CSS in here. Now in inbox we have hover text yellow. Yeah, so when you hover over this, the text goes yellow. See? Now we did not actually need to use group hover, but yeah, this works without group hover because we add it at the top right here. Okay. If you want it to be different colors, yes, you could have used group hover, but for now it's fine. So instead of yellow, this important should be yellow, this media should be purple. So let's go to inbox. The media, where's the media? This one should be purple, 500, and if you hover over this, this goes yellow, purple. Now this deal should be green, so I'll go green. Save. Now this one goes green, purple, yellow, and this news should be gray, I guess, gray. Okay, so it's the same color, so let's go with gray, 700. Yeah, something like this. Now chats should go to, what chats look like? Maybe blue, I don't know, blue, perfect. Okay, so now there are different colors, you know. Now they are buttons, categories. They are not a button, so let's make this a button. So button, I'll move the logo and this one inside the same button. Save. Class name, flex, item center. You can delete this line here. Save. Now in hover, this still applies, but we can get this gap and paste it here and save. Now everything looks perfect. The single thing we want to say here on is to move the CSS. Let's try to move the CSS one down below. Save. It is still working. Let's see. No, this is not working anymore because we need to add this thing. So let it here and this thing here. Copy. Save. And now wait a little bit, and now the color is still, it's working still. Cool. Now I want to add something else. Let me open this design as well. So we have this working, but we want on a click, we want this to stay purple or something like that. So hover text gray. Okay, so we want this to be copy on active. So on active we want the text to be yellow 500. Okay, so when you click on this, active, what, why is this not working? Yellow 500, active text yellow 500. See blue. Okay, so how do you go about this? So Tailwind, let me see, Tailwind active, hover focus is not active, it's a different command. Let's see. So hover focus, oh, I think it's focus, I think it's focus, yes. Let's try it focus. So focus, I mean focus is for inputs, isn't it? Oh no, it's working perfect. So focus, it's focus. So on focus we want the B to be yellow 500. So when you click on this, bam, stays yellow. Focus, yes, it's focus. Diaz 99, hello. Novak, hello. So I'll copy this focus. No, actually I'll copy this. So hover, Control V. This one should be focus as well. I'll copy this one, focus, copy this one, paste, focus, copy this one, paste, focus, okay. You are making static website, right, without using JavaScript, for example functions or another property of JavaScript. No, we are using JavaScript. A static website is not does not mean that it does not have functions. Okay, deals, media, deals, news, chats. Okay, so now when you hover, when you what? Why is this not working? Focus, text blue, hover, focus. Text 0500. Yeah, why do we have two of these? Hover, save. So now we're on the media. Why is this not working? Okay, so this one is working, deals is working, news working, chat's working. Cool. Okay, perfect. This is what we wanted. Mr. Emerald, what's up? Welcome to the stream. So I have this working now. Actually, I want this media or promote. No, the deals. I want the deals to be always green or not. No, let's not make that. Anyway, can make this deals text bigger. So we'll go to deals padding. Okay, so here we can say text. For example, it's 16 pixels by default. So we'll go with 18 pixels. Try this out. I think this is too much. We'll go with 17. And yeah, why not? Yeah. So text 17 on the title. Now I think we're kind of done with this. Let's check this out on mobile as well. Do you see this? I have a lot of work here to do. Not really a lot of work, but let me move this here as well. How do I make this smaller? Focus is not a solution. What? There you must use a toggle function or something. Okay, 53 people watching. Insane, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For our it's just demonstrative, so we don't need a toggle. You can do a toggle with state and all that, but we don't really need that right now because that's like a filter. So yeah, you would need a toggle, but for our example it's enough. Or you can just use an on click or something like that with the state and it should be fine. So now, yeah, on mobile you see there's too many things. So on navbar, let's go to navbar, and on the navbar we have these. We only need this Gmail and this user as well. So let's go to the left side. We have our menu outline right here. So this one should be hidden, so I'll say hidden because I want to hide this. Save, and it's hidden. Save. Okay, it's hidden now. Now we want this to be back on medium or what? On medium, I guess. Medium should be flex. So flex. And now if you go to the medium, so to 768 pixels, this will show up. take a look, and bam, you see how this appears right there? So bam, bam. Now this input right here, the input, where is it? Left input here. So this input should be hidden as well. So let's say hidden. Now it's hidden. So we want this to be back at large. So large, it's 1024 pixels. So 1024 pixels. So on 1024 pixels, we want this to be flex, so to show up, and save. Now if you go back to bigger, take a look at this, bam, showing up. See? LG flex, if I have block, let me see something. Yeah, so block is the block. Yeah, block should be flex. Hello Dalal, hello Villain, what's up? So LG flex, okay, LG flex. If I say inline flex, no better, so we'll stick with block. If I delete this at all, I want to see how big is it normally. Oh yeah, so normally it's this big. Okay, cool. Okay, so it was not a problem. So yeah, here we should have block, so I'll say block. On LG should be block, and take a look, we get this, nice. Goose, hi, hello, who is Mob, what's up? T, hello. Is that Russian or something? Okay. Let's continue, guys. We'll have, let's see what we have here. So I'll have on the left side something like this. I'll make this bigger as well, not that big. Okay. So something like this on mobile, cool. Now should I get rid of some of these things right here? I don't know. I mean, if they fit, why delete them? But here we can either delete some of them or just make them smaller. I think I'll delete some of them. Tailwind official documentation is enough to understand everything? Yes, of course. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's continue. I think I'll delete some of these. Input, or is it input, right side? No. So if you go to inbox, category, so inbox, okay. So if you go down, right side, categories, mails. Yeah, so into categories, have these. Now I'll have to choose which one I don't show up. Okay, is this the big surprise? Gmail 2.0. How is this a surprise? I'm not sure. But yes, it's Gmail 2.0. I promised Reina that we're gonna do this, so yep. Okay. Category, yes. So here we can delete these chats on mobile. So where's the chats? Chats. This one should be hidden. So hidden. Like that. And on small, we want this to be flexed back again. So flex. So when you go to small, this one should appear back again. See? Bam, bam. Nice. Hi Goose, hello Descent. What about Mercedes? What about Mercedes? What about Mercedes? What do you mean? Goose, how do you implement regular CSS with Tailwind? I need to animate an audio player. You already have it by default, Jordan. So if you want, for example, you just have to go here in the index, right? And just select, for example, if you have a class like dot navbar dot carrot. If you have a class dot carrot, specify like this and say bg bg white background color none or something like this. None. You just have to do it like this and just add in the class name the carrot and you should be good. But make sure in app.js you have not in app.js. Okay, inbox. Make sure in index.js you have index CSS imported. What about the Mercedes site? I was joking about that. Upper of scene. What's up? Hello, welcome to stream. Yeah. Dum 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 dum. Live, okay. Okay. Guys, let's continue now. What? Wait a second. How to put a class name with CSS though? Won't it recognize the Tailwind class name? No, it's fine. You can do that. You just don't use PT or a border, or just create a custom class. Like if you use PT as a class name, yes, Tailwind will take that as a Tailwind syntax. But if you use, for example, truck or house or nav btn, Tailwind will not recognize that. Goose, have you ever thought of starting a software as a service company? Nope. I don't intend to do that. I don't see any point. I see like a ton do it really quick. I see like a ton of SaaS companies that I have no idea what they do, but they have like a lot of clients, and it's insane. Their product is so bad, and if I read their description, I have no idea what the product does, but they have clients and everything. It's for me it's insane. So you can do class name track. Yes, you can do class name track, exactly. Yep. Because for example in Tailwind, if you misspell something like this, it will not take it in consideration, you know. Save. So let's continue. Right side. Okay. Okay, looks good. It looks good to me. We'll make some changes on bigger screens as well, but for now, I mean, yeah, for now let's leave it like this. We'll make like on bigger screens, we'll make this larger, we'll make these icons bigger and more padding to the left and to the right, but for now let's continue our website. For now let's continue with the messages. So yeah, you can say class name truck, and then after the truck leave a space, and then type your CSS classes there in Tailwind, because Tailwind will take only what syntax it has already, you know. So let's continue. Sebastiano Manunta, hello, what's up? So I have important media deals news. Okay, they look good, they look good. Now if you zoom here, can you connect this website to the backend? Yes. Yeah, we'll have like an object for this email, so we'll have a different, what do you call these, parameters. We'll have, for example, the name of the sender, we'll have the message and timestamp as well. So that should be all. Oh yeah, that's simple. Not that many emails, that many things to add. Not that many things to add. So yeah, now let me check something really fast on my actual email. So right now I'm on email. Okay. Okay. So yeah, let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Have Goose Dev, yep. Oh. Okay, space. Okay. When are you going to reveal your face on live stream? I don't have a camera, so. So yeah, when I have a camera, that then I'll show it. What do you think, CSS or Tailwind? Tailwind is CSS. Oh, SCSS. Oh, I mean, dude, I like Tailwind. Adrian Zalewski, what's up? Hello Zeki, hello Arvind. Waiting, yes. So Tailwind, yes. Yep. So let's go ahead and build this email, guys. Okay. 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 So goose dev, yeah. Make this look good here first. Hello Nishad Tasneem, what's up? Ooh. Okay. Pom pom doom. What? Hello Goose, hello Simon, what's up? Welcome back. Do you know Kotlin? Nope. No, I do not, Aaron. Okay. So we'll have here, let's see. Can do a video about reusing components. Yes, I reuse components every single video. Daniel Montenegro, what's up? T, hello. Human, thanks, you're doing great. No problem. So yeah, let's add this. I'll make it smaller just so you can see. So this is how an email will look. We'll have this, email and the timestamp. Perfect. By cameraman will take your interview from Google. What? No, I did not. Kakper, hello. Yeah, no problem, Zaki. So let's build this email. So we'll have here Control B, right side, Control Z. Save. You can have a React installation video. I did this at the start of the stream. Close this. Inbox, okay. So this one is the inbox, left sidebar, inbox, right sidebar, yeah. So inside the inbox right here, I mean, kind of should have had another so in app.js I have another component, but this one should be emails. I'll say emails. This one should be emails, like this. So I'll have a div like this. I'll move it here, save, Control B. Let's create an emails tab. So I'll have a component called emails.js, rfc, save. Okay, so emails is not defined. If you go to app.js, save this. Okay, so I have the emails right there. Now I want this to be width full, so if you go to the emails and here say class name, and here we have the class name of bg red 500, and if you have a hi inside or something inside, so here save this, we should have like a full width of red. Nice. What's the background music name? This one is called Father Time Smart Face from Smart Face. So Father Time from Smart Face. It's from Epidemic Sounds. So save this. Okay, well, save. Have in these emails a couple of object emails, right? So we'll have an array, so const emails equals with an array of objects, and the first one should be the expeditor. So this will be how should I name this? Expeditor, and the expeditor should be support. We can just say Namecheap or design model. So design model, okay. Let's continue now. Tailwind CSS styles are same as basic CSS. Yes, they are same. Hello Satyam Sina. Hello, welcome to stream. Dun, dun. Okay. Okay. Okay, perfect. Let's continue, guys. Let me check something really fast and we'll continue. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. I changed the song as well. Let me change the song. Okay, something like this. Peaceful, you know. Okay. So I was reading something. I'm done. Let's continue now. Okay. Yeah, let's continue, guys. No, I cannot say I can. No. That would be a disaster. Okay. Did you reconsider the mode status? Why do you want to be a mod? You are here like once. You are here like 2 minutes per live stream. Why do you want to be a mod? Okay, let's continue. So design modo, save. So yeah, we'll have the expeditor, then after the expeditor we'll have the message as well. So let's have message, and the message should be holiday. Holiday special. Holiday special. Okay. Holiday special. Then have a different one. Okay. We'll have the holiday special. This one should be the message, and then we should have a message title as well. So this one should be message title, and this one should be the message. So message, the message should be North Woods Audio and Sound LLC, 10% off products. Products, okay. Dot and then the timestamp. So we'll have dot and then the timestamp. So we'll have dot and then timestamp. So after this, let's see. Have a timestamp. Timestamp should be like 10:11 p.m. AM. Okay. Timestamp 11 AM. Control B. Now I have expeditor, message title, and timestamp as well. So this is all we need. Let's go here at the bottom and let's have like 1, 2, 3, 4 messages for now. So here, let's say for example messages, what are they called? So emails.map, emails.map. So for each email we want an email component, so email, Control B, create a component called email, so email.js. Okay, let's import the email as well. Who is mob? Yeah, well, we need an active moderator who is mob, so I think this is not going to work, you know. So sorry. Import, so import email from /components /email. Can this is the background, and for each email, for each object, so 1, 2, 3, 4, we have this email, right? Now let's pass to props the expeditor like this. So we'll say expeditor equals email email.expeditor, then have message title equals with email dot okay, so it should be message like this. Message equals email dot message swan dev meow. Dude, stop creating Google accounts, okay? Stop creating Google accounts and stop being annoying. Oh, or is it a different guy? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's a different guy or not. So now I can pass this to props. I'll go to index right here. Index, I'll close this one. Category no. I'll go to email. So email, okay. Let's pass to props the expeditor. The message title. And the message. Save. And I'll have as the first the expeditor, so I'll copy this. Save. Let me get some lorem ipsum, so lorem I'll copy, for example, I'll copy this. I'll paste it here, so here. Then I'll copy this. I'll paste it as the second one, so the messages are different, you know. Then I'll copy this one. Okay, I'll copy this, I'll delete it and save. Okay. Now let me change the expeditor as well. So this one should be code pen, so code pen. The next one should be corporate. On VS Code you can write lorem 10 and that will create lorem ipsum text with 10 words. Yes, exactly. It's very useful. So then after corporate we can say it should be brother. Save. Now they're different, each one, see? TVRK, hello, what's up? So after the expeditor we'll have the message title, so message title, save. And after the message title we'll have the message, save, like this. Now I want them to be inside paragraphs, so I'll have a paragraph, this. Move this inside. Okay, I can be active. Okay, you did be active and don't tell me you are active, just be active and I'll see it. Class name flex. Okay, this one should be gap, so gap. Okay, so there should be no, okay, gap 4, I'll go with gap 20. No, I'll delete the gap, and we should have here like max width for this paragraph at the start. So this one should be class name, width should be like 6 rem. The hello code mobile, what's up? Okay, so we want more 6 rem, we'll go with 8. Yep, something like this, 8 rem. Now after hello special, this one, hello special, should be class name, font, semi-bold. Okay, why you don't go with grid? You cannot use grid here. Okay, check out this now. Okay, so okay, after the special offer we'll have here, for example, like a small, where is it, bam bam bam. Okay, so there should be, for example, like something like this. Save, no, not there, save, should be here, something like this. Save, save. Yes, we'll have to add a save. No. Message. No, how do you add a space? How do you add a space in Tailwind? Add. Oh, I guess you can add the padding to the left. So we can just say, let me share a song. Okay. If the string is too long, we'll fix that. I'll show you how to do that. So after this one, where is it? Here, here. You can say here class name, padding left of 2, of 1, like that. And this text should be like kind of grayish, so class name should be text gray 400. $500. Okay. If a string is too long, I'll show you how to deal with that, okay? I'll show you how to solve it. But wait a second. So emails, okay. Holiday special. Okay. So now we should make this longer, I guess. Let's see. So we should have these 3 icons on the left, and let's have a timestamp as well. So in the emails, let's add a timestamp as well. So after this we'll have timestamp as well. So timestamp. At the end we'll have here a paragraph like this with a timestamp. Save. And here we'll have the timestamps. Wait a little bit. Emails. Yeah, let's add a timestamp as well as props. Email dot timestamp. Save. And now take a look at this. Bam. Now we should make them flex. So flex justify between. Now let's go back. Save. The left and the middle should be, so this and this 3 should be in the same div. So create a div, move this 3 in the same div, and now we can say here, let me say flex items center. Like that. Now we can say here flex justify between. Perfect. Last thing to do. Wasif, hello, what's up? Look at the stream. Okay. Okay, let's continue. So Okay. Wishing you luck. Wishing you luck. Thank you as well for watching it. Okay. Yo, Climatrix, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Hello. So let me check something. Okay. Yeah, okay. We're almost at 16.6k. That's insane. So yeah. Non Vanakti, hello. Oh my god. How do you stay motivated for this stuff? I don't know, I just do it, dude. I just do it. Okay. Let me check something really fast. Katie, hello Derek here, what's up, welcome to the stream. So let's make this smaller as well, so name cheap, okay. How should we go about this, because it's already looking like kind of so timestamp. Let me get text array as well, so text array 500 as well. I'll paste it in the class name here, so class name, save. It should be gray as well. Guys, wait just 2 seconds, I'll be back in 2 seconds. Hello, I'm back. So, let's continue. Hello, hello, hello. Dennis, what's up? Welcome to the stream. We can hear you. Cool. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Now let's finish this, guys. What are you doing? Okay. Hello sir, hello no one, what's up? Okay, give me 2 seconds and let's continue. Oh, where's my cable? Anyway. Okay. What I want to do now, it's for each mail we want a border top and bottom. Okay. So we'll have a border top and bottom. Okay. For each email, I'll say border bottom, so border bottom, save. Okay. Where do you live? In Romania. I'll say padding to the bottom should be 1. Padding top 1. Things like this. We want some padding to left and right as well, first of all, so padding on the X should be 4 or 6, like that. And we want, let's see what we want. Should we want this expander text bold? If I say font bold, I guess. Where do you live in Romania? I'm not sure if I responded to that question. But yeah, let's continue. So you have this. Okay, so in emails, in inbox, if you go to inbox, we have hover, CSS title, logo. No, in emails, my bad. So in emails we have 11 AM, the hello streaks, what's up? We have 11 AM. I'll call this you can say for example December, so December, no, Control Z. I'll say here December 3rd, so December 3rd, save. Yo, streaks, Climatrix, what? Let me change the song as well, guys. Okay, alternative hip hop maybe. Okay. Salute Climatrix, hello, Kick W. Strix. Where are you from in Romania, Strix? So I'll have December 3rd or something like, let's see, December 2, December 2nd, the 2nd, Control V, and this one should be November 30th. Save. No, I don't like it, so we'll change. For example, I'll copy this, paste it here. This one should be December 2. This one should be same day but earlier, you know, so go with 12, no, 10, so 10, yeah, 10, yeah. Ooh, a lot of Romanian. Where are you from? In Romania. Yes, I know you are Romanian, but which city? Save. Maybe 9 PM. Let's see. Try it 9 PM. Looks better. Okay, something like this. Now let's Now if I see, for example, inside here flex item center email, so yeah, if I say no, so inside the email, if I go here and say flex justify between, oh, we already have justify between, but if I don't put this inside the same div, yeah, we don't want this, so we want this to be in the same div, so then had something important. No. Okay, save like this, and let me move a div here, save. Hey bro, how long it will take to learn React.js? Depends. Yes, okay, cool. Okay, so if I save now, check this out. Don't really like how this looks. So if I say, for example, pg, oh yeah, it should be flex items center, something like this, but I don't like how this looks. If I say, for example, bg, they should be the same width, you know. So if I say here bg red 400, see these, they're the same width, but depending on this one, okay, so this one should be a set width as well. So width 8 rem, I'll have, for example, here Control V width 5 rem or something like this. So width 5 rem, with 4 rem, I'll go with 5 rem. Constanza, oh cool, nice. But still, why is this not centered? Oh, it's because the width of the text. Okay, so the width of the text, we don't even need this. We just have to say here on the text max width should be 20 rem. Let's see. Now we'll go with 40 rem. Go with 30 rem. Yeah, so 35 rem. And if you say here truncate, so truncate. Now when this is too low, so for example if I go with 30 back again, 30 rem, save. Product, okay, so you see how this works. Now okay, Farhan Bike, hello my bro, hello music for lo-fi, what's up, welcome back. Okay, so again, this should be max with 30 rem and then truncate. And oh yeah, so now we have to give this a width as well, so I'll say width should be only 5 or something like this. Save. And now perfect, finally. So we can say text end, text. Like this, and now they are centered, perfect. So I can delete this now, save, and take a look, nice. So we want this truncate. If I copy this, paste it here. Check this out. Yeah, so not there. Save here. Save. And we should get dot dot dot. See? So we have the same effect. Now we can go with 32 here. Yeah, okay. So we want something like this. Important, okay. If I go into the emails, I can duplicate this as well, so save, and we can get more emails like this. Nice. So I have a multitude of emails, but I think we can add more spacing at top and bottom. So let's go to the email. So padding top should be padding bottom 1. Okay, I'll say padding on the Y 1 right here. So padding on the Y 1. Save should be the same. Nothing should change. If I go 1.5, yeah, 1.5. It is indeed. And the next thing should be to make these emails gray. So I'll say BG gray 200. Okay, BG gray 200. If I go with 100, yeah, something like that. Okay, so looks good now. The last thing I would like to do, let's see what we have here on the bottom. I cannot make this smaller. What? Okay. So yeah, the bottom, I don't know what we have at the bottom. Let me just add some more emails first of all. So I'll create more emails here. Save. Have something like this. Beach gray 150. Yeah, let's try 150. I'm not sure. Does it work on 50? I'm not sure. Gray 100. Where is it? 100. 150. Does 150 work? No, it's not working. 150. They don't have it. They have 50, 100, 200. Okay. So why not change the special as well? So holiday special, where is it? Holiday special, yeah. Why not have, for example, lorem ipsum? Okay, copy. Second one should be this. Lorem. Now I'll copy this. Paste this here like this. And if I save, it's kind of different, you know? Yeah, so it's different now. T con arepa. Hello. I mean, to fix this now, we should give this a specified width as well, you know? So in the email, you have to go to the expeditor and say width should be 6 rem. Oh, we have a width for the expeditor, okay. And text start, maybe text start. No, if I say BG red 400. Oh, not there. Save. So we want here on this thing right here. So message title, we have to say width, for example, should be 5 rem. Rem, something like this. Hello publish, what's up? Tico Narepa, okay. Let's check the real design. They should be one close to each other, you know, so if I control Z and delete this, for example, with 5 rem, save. Let me take a look at this, why this is not working. So if you say bg $400, yeah, you see this one is not the same width for everything. So I have to say here width 30 rem, not max width. Save. Okay, so something like this, nice. Let's delete this now. Yeah, so we want something like this. Bro, how to learn React.JS A to Z? Any suggestions? Yeah, you have a lot of good tutorials on YouTube. So emails, okay. Vero, okay, so we're here at Vero. Where is it? Vero. Okay, so here. Let me delete all these messages like this, and I'll paste these, okay, because they have different titles. Save, and now take a look. Have something different, you know. So one more time, save. 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 Okay, so now I have this scroll bar as well. So at the bottom we'll have a footer as well. Hello Emmanuel, what's up? Welcome to the stream, dude. Eman Mohammed, hello, what's up? So we'll have these, Now let's add the footer as well, or the left sidebar. Which one do you guys want me to add? So I feel like here we could add it, you know, on large. So I'll say Control B. Looks awesome, thank you. So I'll have to add this thing right here. So let's go ahead in the app.js. Let's go to app.js. Where is it? App.js. Here I'll say Control B. Emails. Let's add sidebar as well. So left sidebar should be this one. So left side. Control B. In the components we'll have a left side. .js. RFC. Add some more colors. What do you mean? Save. App.js, Control B. So in the left side I'll import this as well. So now I have the left sidebar right here, that we want this to be navbar should always show up like this. Let's see actually. So yeah, the navbar should always look like that, but inbox, okay, they should be inside a different div like this. I'll move everything inside this, so right sidebar as well, and left and everything, save like this, save. And now inside here we should say flex. So now I have the left sidebar as you can see, and then the emails, right? Right sidebar should be inside as well, save. Even though it's a comment, it's not important. Now the width of this thing should be full, right? So yeah, well, the width of this left side, no, of this inbox, of this one should be width full, save. Okay, now this left sidebar, let's go to left side, and left sidebar should be class name hidden, so I'll say hidden like this, perfect. Now this should be on large, we should have this flex, okay? So on large, let's go to large, and on large we should have this thing show up left side, let's see. Bro, you select me as chat mode? No. Stop asking for mods, okay guys? Thank you. If I consider you are really active and always on the stream, and I like you, your vibe, yes for sure, but otherwise no. If you ask for mode, for sure you will not get the mode. So left side, okay, let's make this bigger. So left side, I'll say width should be 15 rem, like that. So here, okay, looks good. Okay, something like this. Now we'll get all these icons as well. Okay, so the left side, let's work on the left side first of all. So left side, let's go to this thing right here. Actually no, let's create this compose. So write or new message, so let's create a new message as well, guys. We'll have on the app, on the left side, we'll have here, we'll have a compose button, so I'll have a div like this, and this one should be right message. Hello Anil, what's up? So here we'll have right message, right message, have the compose button, so we'll have a compose, should be a paragraph, I guess, paragraph like this. So compose, okay, compose. Compose, yeah, we have this. Now let's add some padding to left and to right as well. So padding all around of 4. Okay, now I'll say bg red 400. Okay, so why don't we have the full width? Not sure. Width full. Okay, now it's full, perfect. So compose, this one should be like height 20. Should be a paragraph inside, and I want to add this padding all around here at the top, so here, okay, like that. And this one should be compose, and the plus icon as well right here. So I'll say flex item center. Okay, now this one should be rounded full as well. Like that. But where is this height 20? I don't want height 20. Height, I'll say height. If it's not a set height, it will be full. So height 6. Go 12. 14. Okay. I think it's a good start. And the width should be 32. Yeah, we have this width full, we don't want it width full, so like this. Now we'll see here width should be 40. 36. 36. Something like this. Flex item center, justify center as well. Okay, compose. Now let's add the plus. Let's add the plus icon as well. So plus. Have something like, or add, or write. So right, I'll go with I'll write here, for example, compose, or say new, message, go with plus. Take this one, email now, pencil, yeah, pencil, there, that's a good idea. Descend it, yeah, pencil. Go with this one. Let's see, there are a lot of good ones. Let's go with this one, FA pencil. So I'll paste this in, and let me go to let me copy this, copy, and let's go to left sidebar again. Jax, hello. Okay. So rounded, full, compose, okay. Let's add this plus icon as well. Pencil, I mean pencil. And if I go to the email, now to the inbox, I have to copy this, go back to left side, paste it here as well. Small pencil, yeah, looks okay, looks fine. So I'll copy this, a pencil from /fa. Take a look at this now, bam bam bam. Okay, from slash. Save. Module air outline circle. Where's this? Where have I pasted this? So left side JS. What? Line 2. Left side. Let me go to left side, Control B, left side. FA pencil. Oh, okay, so this one. Okay, save. Take a look at this now if you can actually use it. So copy. I'll paste this as a component. Okay. Now I'll make this bigger, so I'll say class name, which should be 12, height should be 12. That's a lot, we'll go with 6. 6. Go with 5. Okay, compose. Now I don't really like this. I'll go with a different one. I'll go with BS pencil. I'll change this from /BS. Okay, I'll copy this, paste it here, save. Compose. Okay, so now we can say padding to the right, margin to the right, actually margin. And the background color should be white, so let's delete this. No, we should have some shadow around this, so let's say shadow LG, so the shadow large, something like this. But shadow should be gray 600. Ooh, that's, I'll go with medium. Okay, if I go with small, let's see. Something like that. Okay. Okay, looks good, looks good. Compose, okay. So now we'll have the buttons underneath them. So underneath, yeah, do you see this? So on mobile, if you go here, let me go to the email. Let me go to the email, and do you see this timestamp? This timestamp should be hidden, so I'll say hidden. Save. Actually, no, I'll go back, and I want to show this timestamp, but where's the width? So width 30. Width 30 should be after small, so small width 30, save. And now normally the width should be 20 or 10 rem, 15 rem. Okay, something like this. Maybe 16, 17. 17. Yeah, do you see how this where's the width? I'll go with 7 rem. I'll go with 6 rem for the timestamp. The timestamp width is just way too big, so something like this. Now this one should be 16 as well, so I'll go with 16 maybe. Yeah, something like that. I think it looks nice for mobile. And then on medium gets like this. Yeah, I like it. So after LG, where's this? Small with 30 rem, copy. Now we want after medium, no, after LG, the width to be like 40. Yeah, something like this. Check this out. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, so for the compose you can add the buttons as well, guys. Let's quickly do that. So left side I have BS pencil. Okay, so write message, and then this will be the buttons. So buttons like this, and in this div I'll have a div like this, and let's create a inbox or stairs, snooze, something like that. So I'll create an array of objects, so const buttons equals buttons equals an array of objects, and the array will have an icon, so icon, and will have a title as well, and the title should be inbox, first one, inbox like this, and the icon should be, let's see, the icon should be an inbox, so inbox. I have FA inbox. Oops, let me duplicate this. /FA, copy, paste it here and save. Okay, perfect. Now FA inbox, this one should be a component. Save. Now let's get another one, let's create another object. So I'll add a comma, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, a lot of them. Now let's get a different icon as well. So we'll go, for example, with star. I'll take a star as well, something like, which one? No, I'll go with FA star. Okay, so FA, have another one, FA star, copy, I'll paste it here. This will be favorite, so favorite. Then after this one we'll have the snooze, will have a watch. Which one should it be? Which one should it be? Which one is this snoozed? I don't know what snoozed is. I'll say for important. So important. Okay, important. I'll go with this one. MD from /MD. Paste it here. Okay, and now favorite, this one should be important. Now I'll delete these because they are the same, so I'll copy these and I'll duplicate this a few times. Save. Okay, now let's map through them, and here at the bottom have the buttons. Let's say for example buttons that map, so buttons that map, and for each button we want a, let's see, Okay. So for each button we'll have a side btn, so side btn, and let's create this component called side btn. In components we'll have a side btn, so side.js, rfc, save, static hello, welcome to stream. Let's import side btn. So for each one we have this, see, nice. Buttons, write message, I'll say here LG flex, I'll say LG block, because we don't want this to be flex. So yeah, perfect. Now let's take a look at this. Okay, so we want some padding to left here on the buttons. I'll say padding to left should be 12. Now we'll go with 6. Okay, something like that. We want some padding to top as well, so padding top should be 2 or 4. Okay. Now let's have some spacing between them. So here we can say padding left of the buttons, space. On the y-axis, the top and bottom should be 2. If I go with 4, okay. Six, I'll go with 6. Okay, let's check this out. So we want to add the icon, so let's pass through props this icon and the title as well. So I'll have the icon, have a class name. No, I'll have the icon, so icon equals with button dot icon, and then we'll have the title as well. Title equals with button dot title, save. Okay, now we can use the title and the button inside the side button right here. So we'll destructure this title and icon as well. So we'll have first the icon, so the icon, save, and I will have the icon instead of this text. Then we'll have the title as well, so we'll have the title inside a paragraph, so we'll have a paragraph, no, paragraph, and inside we'll have the title, so title, save. Now they should be flex as well, so class name, flex item center. We want some gap of 2, like that. Let's make this title class name font bold or semi-bold, like that. And let's make the text gray here at the top, so I'll say text gray 500. I'll go with 600 maybe. Let's try 600. Okay, I guess there is a difference, but a very small one. I don't think you can see it. Let's make the icon as well. So left side. In the left side. Here the FA star. Yeah, the FA star. Inbox FA star. Okay, so this one should be class name with 7, height 7, save. Yeah, something like this, maybe 6. I think that's too big. How much is 6? 1.5 RAM, 1.7 RAM. I'll say 1.7 RAM. Save. Like that. And the text should be as well. We'll modify the text as well, but I'll copy this class name and I'll paste it for the start as well. So here I'll paste it as well. And the notification, I'll paste it here as well. Save. Okay, so I have 3. For now I have 3 of them. They look different a little bit. So this bell can be 8, I guess. 8. No. Save. I mean this this bell. Where's the bell? So this bell, I'll change the bell. I don't like it. I'll go for a normal bell. I'll go with MD label important. I'll go with this one. So bell, where's the bell? Paste it from /MD. I'll copy this. Oh no, I'll copy this and let me go back and paste this one as well. Save. I'll copy this and I'll move it instead of this bell here. Save. Okay, something like this. Now we can delete the rest of them. So 1, 2, 3 look good. Now the rest we can delete them, and let's duplicate these. Okay, so 1, save, save, like that. Perfect. Now we have this. Now we want this to be sticking at the top. So if you go to where is it, app.js, we want this navbar to be at the top. So I'll say navbar. Inside navbar we'll make this sticky and top 0 and save. And now check this out, it's saying at the top. Now let me say here background of white as well, bg white, and take a look at this. Now it's perfect, looking perfect. Now this compose button should be sticking as well, only this thing should scroll down. So let's make this stick as well. So in the left sidebar, where is it, Control B here, left sidebar here, we can say sticky, save. And now take a look at this. It's not working because we have to say top, and for example top, if we say 20, wait a little bit, top 20, height full. So do you see this? Do you see this? How nice it is. If I delete the top 20, it will go back. So the top 20, it's the thing that you have to add. If I delete the height full, again bad. So you need to add the height and the top as well. So now take a look at this, something like this. Nice. Okay, so now let's add more inbox. Let's go to inbox right here. In the media, no. Email, left side, no. App.js, inside the emails, and I'll just, we have a lot of emails. Now if you have, for example, like if you have like an API that where you can get something like this from, it will be better, you know. Save, Ctrl Z, something like this. Save. Now just have a lot more emails as well. Should we add the footer as well? Let's go to app.js, Control B. If you go to app.js, Where's JS? Control B, okay. Inbox, emails. So at the bottom we should have the footer. So footer will have a footer object, a footer component. Inside components will have footer. .js, RFC, save. Take a look at this now. I think it's on the right. Where is it? The footer. I cannot see it. Oh, in app.js, let's import this. So no, I delete this. Okay, so let's create a footer. I said foot. So footer.js, RFC, RFC, save. In app.js, let's import this. So footer, save. Okay. Hamshi Carmino, what's up, dude? How are you doing today, Gus? Good. Good. Thanks for coming by. We have a lot of bots in the chat, so yeah, good to have like a real human. There are so many bots in the chat. Save. So we have the footer at the bottom. Let's go to the footer. Class name. I say height should be 5 rem. BG white, admin is by default white. So save it like this. Now I can go back, okay, like this. You can say flex item center, justify center, like that. And font should be bold. And the text should be like 22 pixels. Okay. So I have the footer as well and everything. Okay, now this looks good. So guys, if you watch this on YouTube, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.